Greetings, fellow design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we embark on a journey of aesthetic inspiration and delve into the world of interior design. Today's video is a celebration of sophistication and charm as we explore the captivating realm of elegant Tuscany interior designs. Known for its timeless appeal, luxurious elements, and redefined aesthetics, Tuscany interior design is a style that never goes out of fashion. So, without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the world of elegance and rediscover the allure of Tuscany interior designs. Elegance is the cornerstone of Tuscany interior designs, drawing inspiration from the romantic landscape of the Italian country style. This style exudes an air of the grace and refinement that resonates with both classic and contemporary sensibilities, with a palette of muted tones and an emphasis on cleanliness. Every aspect of Tuscany design exudes with quiet grandeur that speaks to the heart of timeless elegance. The color palette of elegant Tuscany interiors embraces the softness of nature and featuring warm neutrals like beige, cream, and soft whites. These hues form a versatile backdrop that allows opulent elements to shine. To infuse a touch of grandeur, accent of gold, bronze, and rich earthy tones are added through decor, light fixtures, and ornamental details, elevating the design to a level of subtle luxury. Elegant Tuscany interior design seamlessly blend traditional architectural elements with modern comforts. Arched doors, ornate moldings, and stately columns harken back to the charm of old world Italy. However, these elements are combined with contemporary furniture, plush seating, and modern amenities, creating a harmonious coexistence of the past and present. Texture plays a pivotal role in elevating the elegance of Tuscany interior. Rich fabrics like silk, velvet, and brocade add a touch of lavishness to the decor. Intricately patterned area rugs embroidered through pillows and sumptuous draperies introduce a tactile dimension that invites both visual and physical indulgence. Elegance is often achieved through carefully curated statement pieces in elegant Tuscany interiors. This principle holds true as well. Statement furniture pieces, whether it's a regal canopy, bed, a graceful design chandelier, or an intricately carved console table, are focal points that command attention and underline the luxurious essence of the space. It's the small detail that truly makes an interior design shine. In Tuscany interiors, intricate detailing is a key. From hand-painted ceramics and mosaic tiles to ornamental mirrors and antique-inspired decor, every element is carefully chosen to reflect the cultural richness and historical significance of the region. As we conclude our enchanting journey through the world of elegant Tuscany interior designs, it's evident that the allure of this style lies in its ability to capturing the essence of timelessness and sophistication. With a harmonious blend of old world charm and modern luxury, Tuscany interiors often a heaven of elegance flourishes, and the spirit of Italian artistry is celebrated in every corner. Whether you are seeking to transform your living space into a sanctuary of refinement or simply reveling in the beauty of design, Tuscany interior design inspire us to appreciate the enduring beauty of the elegance in all its forms. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your other design enthusiast fellows. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more inspiring content. Hit the bell icon. Happy decorating.